welcome to my channel. I'm your host, Mary Nenor, and today we'll be playing a little matchmaking game called Pusuan or Laruan!
Ikaw na yata mapupusuan. Gusto na tayong magkatuloy. Ikaw ang mapupusuan. Daratat, ikaw na yata mapupusuan. Di akalain magkakastuhan. Ikaw ang napupusuan.
Here's how the game works. As you can see, we have a lineup of gorgeous single ladies over here. Woo-hoo! And we'll also be bringing out some sexy eligible bachelors one by one. So, kung napupusuan nyo ang ating sexy single, feeling nyo magva-vibe kayo or interested pa kayo sa mga sabihin niya, do not pop your balloon. Pero kung feeling nyo hindi nyo siya masyadong vibe or hindi kayo magma-match, you can go ahead and pop your balloon. Are you ready, singles? All right, let's play Pusuan or Laruan! Here comes our first sexy single. Woohoo! Hi! Hello, so what's your name and how old are you?
I'm Ram, 31 years old.
Okay, and Ram, anong job mo or what do you do for a living?
I'm men in uniform.
Oh, okay.
Yes.
Anong uniform to?
Blue uniform.
Blue uniform. So, mag-guessing game tayo. Okay. So, anong hobbies mo or what do you like to do for fun?
My hobbies sa gym, sports, practical shooting,
Okay.
swimming, combat martial arts.
Oh, so very active ang lifestyle mo.
Very active po.
Okay. Ano namang hanap mo sa isang ideal partner?
Simple lang naman po ang hanap ko, yung compliance, saka respetuhin ka.
Okay.
Yun lang naman.
So, you're
Wala-
looking for someone na medyo mas submissive yung personality or?
Yes po. Personality.
Okay. Sa mga physical naman, anong hanap mo?
Sa physical naman, kung magawa naman ng paraan, pwede naman ilid ng maayos, magawa ng paraan. Kaya
Magagawa
naman.
ng paraan. Ano to? Like sa gym? Or ano,
Sa
paano
gym,
magagawa ng paraan?
walking, magawan po
Okay.
ng paraan. Matutulungan.
Okay. Ano namang mga deal breakers mo? Or pag nalaman mong ganito yung potential partner mo, ayaw mo na?
Yung hindi ka nirespeto, para saan pa naging lalaki ka kung di ka re-respetuhin? Kasi ikaw nga naglilid ng household eh. Ikaw ang man
Okay.
eh. Ikaw ang leader eh.
Pero
Yun lang po.
both ways din ba yung respect na yun? Like, ikaw din ba respect mo yung magiging partner mo? Or
Opo, i-respect ko rin po dahil babae siya. Pero bilang lalaki, i-respeto niya rin ako. Kasi ako yung naglilid eh.
mas leader?
Yes po.
Okay. Alright. Well, right now, mukhang may mga nag-pop sa ating lineup. Hi, your name, your age, and your job?
My name is Nina. I'm 24 and I work as a talent acquisition officer.
So, bakit ka nag-pop ng balloon?
I popped the balloon because I feel like he's such a old school macho type of guy. Yung I really didn't like the part that he said na magagawa naman ng paraan. Like, it's not that easy to have a very active lifestyle compared to you. Because of course, you do that for a living. Not everyone has the time in the world to do the magagawan ng paraan. So I really didn't like that.
Yeah. May response ka ba sa sinabi niya?
It's okay. It's your preference. Walang problema sa akin. May point din naman siya. Pero kung gusto, marami paraan. Pag ayaw, marami dahilan.
Do you have any
I'm not
response?
pero yun yung aking preference.
I guess the response that I can give you is that not everyone has the time and privilege to do that.
Pero ikaw ba, type mo ba sana siya?
Sakto lang.
Oh, ba't naman sakto lang?
Eh, parang kaibigan lang siya ganun.
Any response to that?
Flat out, he's not my type as well, because, like, I don't really like a guy that thinks like that. I'm really more of an open-minded type of guy, so I wouldn't really. Even friendship, I'm sorry, but no.
My name is Nika. I'm 36 and I'm a transaction analyst. Height preference, as we can see. And then at the same time, I'm a single mom. I do everything from 8:30 in the evening until 5:30 in the morning, and my job doesn't end there. So pag uwi ko ng bahay, may gagawin pa ako. So for the statement na magagawa ng paraan, something na baka hindi namin mapagkasunduan.
What do you think of that na single mom siya and then yung sinasabi mong magagawa ng paraan? Do you think it still applies?
May mga way po tulad ng diet, ganyan. Pwede naman po mag-reduce sa iba't ibang paraan kasi nga, mas maganda na mag-reduce ka para healthy. Makasama po yung anak mo pa at yung maging pamilya mo balang araw. Maging healthy ka, maging fit ka. Yun lang naman yung point ko.
Do you agree with what he's saying?
First is, thank you for the concern. Given that yung point of view mo is for that person to be healthy. Pero there are many kinds of aspects for you to be healthy. Mental, physical, financial, I may say. And at the same time, for my job na graveyard shift, ang 1.5 hour na run or jog is mostly magagawa ko na, or it's gonna be my luxury time to sleep. So I'm really sorry if hindi ko mapupunan yung reason na kung merong kung kaya magagawa ng paraan, kung ayaw maraming dahilan, need to look outside of the box of the situation. So yun lang naman.
Pero type mo ba sana siya?
Sakto lang po.
Oh, bakit naman sakto lang?
Parang kaibigan lang din.
Kaibigan lang din. Dami
Kaibigan
mong
lang
friends today.
Wala kaibigan po talaga ako.
Ganun ka pala. Friendly ka pala.
Yes po.
Hi, I'm Jo. I'm 29 and my job is, kaya ganito siya kasi I am a vocal coach and also an HR payroll advocate. So I just came home from training and I went straight here, kaya ganito siya. So I apologize for that.
Kala ko naman bedroom voice lang, ganon. Pa-husky effect. So, ba't ka nag-pop ng balloon?
Because of the dominance in the submission topic. Kasi ako, I'm the type of person who na nag-stand on her own kasi I'm also a single mom. Kagaya nga na sinabi mo, kung gusto may paraan, kung ayaw may dahilan. And yung dahilan ko kasi is mas importante yung anak ko kaysa doon.
Tama po kasi nga, nurturing the child eh. Yun ang talaga na single mom. So, may point din si madam. Kaya I respect your decision, ma'am.
Pero type mo ba sana siya?
Sakto lang.
Yung sakto lang na yan.
Sakto lang.
O, bakit sakto lang?
Parang tingin ko kay, parang ate na lang na nag-a-advise sa akin. Ganun.
Okay lang yan, kuya.
Okay din po.
Pero ikaw,
Thank you.
type mo ba sana siya?
Sakto lang po. Wala naman ako masyadong preference.
I'm Armani, 27. Actually, I'm a PE teacher. I'm into men in uniform. It's just that from the first thing na sinabi niya about sa magagawa ng paraan, nag-end up siya in a sexist way.
Why is it sexist for you?
Meron kasi siyang energy na gusto niya nagdo-dominate pa rin. Though sinabi niya may respeto pa rin sa isa't isa, pero nakikita ko pa rin yung masculine energy niya. Gusto niya yung nagdo-dominate sa relationship.
Paano kung nagpakita ko ng kahinaan, sino pa sasandalan mo? Eh, lalaki ako. Yun lang akin. Pero wala namang hurt feelings doon.
Ako na hard na yung feelings. Charis.
Saan ka kukuha ng lakas kundi sa partner mong lalaki, di ba?
Agree ka ba doon?
Kumbaga yung judgment ko, naging firm na ako doon.
Pero ikaw ba, type mo ba sana siya? Sakto lang.
Hindi.
O, baka naman iba. Oh.
Girl, best friend.
Girl best friend.
Yes.
Okay, so nag-level up na tayo from friend vibe to girl best friend. O, ba't naman girl best friend?
Kasi marami akong kaibigan na teacher.
Okay.
Kaya, and then, makaklose ko rin.
So
ganyan
feeling mo,
tingnan
pwede siya maging part ng grupo na yon na kaklose mo?
Pwede naman po.
Sige, mag-maid of honor na lang ako sa kasal mo.
Oh, may maid
Depende.
of honor na. Okay, so we still have 1, 2, 3 balloons left. Let's go straight to the question portion. So magtanong ka ng isang question to help you get to know them better.
Ano ang green flag nyo sa isang lalaki?
My name is Rez. I'm 36 and I work as a virtual assistant for a medical company in the US. Someone who has this quiet confidence, I think. Like someone who doesn't have to prove himself. Very humble. That's a green flag, I think.
Hi, my name is Natalie. I'm a finance analyst, 28 years old. Someone who's respectful and thoughtful as a person.
Hi, I'm Pinky. I'm 33, HR from a food group company. So, ang green flag ko sa guy is family-oriented, kilala ang Diyos. Alam niya kung paano maging lalaki sa isang babae.
Okay, so based on those answers, I would like you to choose one balloon to pop. Bakit siyang napili mo i-pop?
Okay na sana yung sagot niya. Kaya lang parang may kulang. Pero goods naman yung sagot ni madam.
Oh, anong kulang sa sagot niya?
Yung parang sagot na kailangan yung lalaki, parang ganun. Pero goods naman si ma'am. Maayos yung sagot niya.
Do you have any response to what he said?
He has freedom to choose.
Pero ikaw ba, type mo ba sana siya?
Actually, no.
Bakit naman?
The vibe is not vibing, pero syempre we're not judgmental, so we want to get to know the person, not just by the first statement that they say, diba? When he said na he wants someone who's submissive and all, so you want him to be able to build, diba, on that. Kasi I think submission kasi it needs to be established. It's not enforced. I wanted to hear from him more. I'm glad that you also popped the balloon because I don't think we're gonna vibe after this.
So, since we have 2 balloons left, sila naman na magtatanong sa'yo ng question para ma-figure out nila kung tama ka bang match for them.
Ano yung currently na ginagawa mo to improve yourself right now? Or
Going
is
to
there-
the gym and reading books. Mahilig ako magbasa ng libro, mag-exercise.
Okay.
Yun lang.
Any follow-up?
For example, nag-voice out ng opinion sa'yo, how would you take that opinion or suggestion bilang sabi mo ikaw ang leader? Okay lang ba sa'yo na bina-voice out ng partner mo?
Papakinggan mo rin yung partner mo kasi nga, di ba ang relationship investment, magtutulungan kayo. Pero syempre, bilang lalaki, ikaw ang magdesisyon, ikaw ang maglilid ng babae. Alam mo naman tama, ba't mo kukontrahin? Pero kung alam mo mali, pwede mo na naman sawayin. Kasi nga tao lang din naman tayo nagkakamali. Yun lang ang aking-
So, kung ikaw yung mali, i-admit mo din naman yun.
Admit ko rin po na syempre partner ko siya,
Yeah.
itatama niya ako.
So,
Tulungan
give and take,
kami.
ganun.
Yes po.
Okay.
So, paano yung approach mo? How would you approach yung partner? How would you tell her?
Sa malumanay na boses, sa paraan, hindi yung pasigaw. Ang babae kasi, alam mo na, matampuin, kailangan may konting lambing yan. May pagkakonting spit ba?
Sample. Ay, joke lang. Sample bigla eh. Okay. We'll get back to you later.
Do you believe in marriage?
I believe in marriage in the right time. Pagka naabot ka na yung pinaka-potential ko sa buhay,
So ano yung potential na yun?
pagka naka-build na ako ng empire, like mas matimbang dapat ang puso, dapat mas matimbang yung bulsa kasi nga nowadays, nag-aaway yung couple gawa ng financial. Which is, pag matibay financial mo, mas titibay din yung samahan mo bukod sa matibay yung puso mo, isip mo.
Okay.
Yun lang.
Any response to that or follow-up?
So, gaano katagal yun?
Depende, pagka nakahanap ako ng tamang partner para sa akin.
So, I heard a pop balloon over here. So, ano nangyari? Bakit ka nag-pop ng balloon?
Actually, may mga tropa kasi ako, mga men in uniform din, na naiintindihan ko kung saan nanggagaling yung aura and yung ganong energy niya. Siguro, nadadala niya from work, di ba? Nakita ko lang siya as kuya. Kasi mga ganun din yung mga tropa ko. Parang mga kuya ko din, nasa 30s.
So, nakuya zone mo siya. Okay. Anong response mo doon?
Wala nang problema sa akin.
Okay.
Hindi gagawin ko rin siyang ate.
Ate din, pwede ba yun? Okay, well, we have one balloon left. So please join us over here. Woo-hoo! So before we proceed, meron pa ba kayong final questions for each other? Ikaw, may final question ka pa para sa kanya?
Kung magiging partner kita, susunod ka ba sa akin?
Okay.
Depende. Kung ano ba yung papagawa mo.
Natakot tuloy siya. Ano ba papagawa mo? For example, saan?
Ano, like, mag-exercise, ganyan, calisthenics, ganyan, auto hobbies.
Actually, on weekends, nagja-jog ako. So, pag wala akong pasok, nagra-run ako. So, yun naman. And then, nagla-less din naman ako ng rice.
Okay naman sa'yo yun.
Maganda po yun.
Okay.
Good habit.
Okay. Alright. How about you? Meron ka pa bang final question para sa kanya?
Anong full name mo?
Mamaya na lang.
Bakit? Isustok mo ba siya sa Instagram? Ano ba?
What I mean is, yung full name lang, not surname.
Gian Paulo.
Okay.
Ano yun? Anong test yun? Okay.
Yung sinabi niya kasing name kanina, name ng ex ko. Tapos Ram.
Ram.
Jan po lang name mo.
Yun ang nakasanayan nilang itawag
Bakit
sa
daw
akin.
Ram? Ever since Ram talaga?
Apelido ko kasi Ram. Kaya Ram.
May poo-poo, may blip-blip. Okay, so kung wala na kayong final questions for each other, I'm gonna ask you guys now. Sure ka na ba sa kanya?
Parang di pa ako ready.
Okay. So you can go ahead and pop her balloon.
Sorry po, pero yun ang ano.
Sige, pop mo muna. Okay, so bakit mo siya piniling i-pop?
Hindi pa ako ready.
Hindi ka pa ready. Ba't ka nandito? Akala ko naman
Wala
hindi
po.
saan ka hindi ready kasi nagja-jogging lang siya. Baka gusto mo calisthenics talaga
Mga
agad.
kaibigan ko lang sila.
Mga friend lang
So,
lahat
pwede
yung
kasi-
vibe.
Pwede nila ako tawagan.
Ba't ka daw sumali? Nagagalit
May natulog.
siya. Sinayang mo daw yung round 1 niya.
Okay lang po.
Oh my gosh! Nag-walk out si ate. Huwag mong sinasayang yung time ng girls. Well, wala tayong match for this round, but thank you so much for joining.
Thank you po.
Join ka
Thank
ulit
you po.
pag ready ka na, ha?
Yes po.
Thank you so much.
Thank you po.
Here comes our next sexy single. Woo! Hi! Hello. Okay, so what's your name and how old are you?
Sadao, 30, podcast host.
Ano namang hobbies mo or what do you like to do for fun?
Boxer, rapper, social media icon.
Wow naman. Sa isang partner naman, anong hanap mo? Personality traits, physical traits?
Basta malambing.
Okay. Sa physical, wala.
Wag lang sobrang... Wala.
Pa-suspense naman. Okay. So, mamaya malalaman natin kung ano yun. Ano naman mga deal breakers? Or pag nalaman mong ganito yung potential partner, ayaw mo na?
Siguro pag butangera.
Okay. Meaning...
Walang control sa sarili pag nagsasalita.
Alright. Well, wala pa naman nagpa-pop sa ating lineup. So, the floor is yours. I would like you to choose 2 balloons to pop. Makatingin naman to. Ay. Okay. And one more.
Armani, 27, PE teacher.
Okay. So, bakit siyang napiling may pop?
Tinatarayan ako eh.
Talaga ba?
Ang long eh, ganyan lang oh.
Oh, yun na nga, tama nga ako.
Less effort pa lang yun.
Okay, so talagang tinatarayan mo siya?
Hindi, it's just like, parang wacky. Actually, pa-cute ko nga yun eh. Pero okay lang, parang feeling ko, ano lang kami, parang ano tol, tapos na ba yung chewing gum mo? Ako naman ngunguya. Parang
Ganun ba kayo mag-bonding na mga kaibigan nyo? Kasi ako hindi ganun eh.
Ang wild ah.
parang ano lang kami, parang, oh, shot mo na. Parang ganun yung vibe. It's like, basta ganun.
Ganun ka ba makipag-bonding sa friends mo?
Bubble gum, hindi ah. Yung
That's
ayun.
where, doon yung boundary niya. Yun yung boundary niya. O paano yun? Nagpapakit lang pala siya sa'yo.
Eh, wala eh. Yun ang dating sa akin eh. Kasi mukhang masungit yung mata niya kanina eh.
Okay. Eh kung hindi siya nagganon, type mo pa sana siya.
Hindi, may tattoo eh.
Elevator look talaga. Oh, so ayaw mo ng tattoos.
Ayoko sa babae may tattoo.
Okay, okay lang. Pero kung may tattoo ka,
Hindi naman ako babae eh.
preference lang sa
Oo.
dinidate mo. Type mo pa sana siya.
No.
Bakit naman?
Di ko alam, napapagod ako sa kakanguya niya.
Ikaw yung napagod.
Parang sumakit yung pang ako. Parang ganun.
Any response to that?
Gusto mo lang kunin yung bubble gum ko eh.
Wait, is there chemistry here? Nasabihan ka na ba ng ganun dati or first time?
First time, sobrang wild nga agad eh.
Oh, sure ka na doon or ayaw mo nang balik?
Sure.
Sige. Okay, well, thank you so much.
Nika, transaction analyst sa in-house company. And then 36.
So, bakit mo siya piniling i-pop?
Siguro sa age.
Sa age. Ano bang age difference ninyo? 6 years. Okay. So, kung hindi sa age, type mo ba sana siya?
Single mom ka?
Yes, I am.
Hindi.
Because of that.
Yes.
Pero kanina hindi mo pa alam yun. So, anong basis mo kanina?
Hindi, baka magputukan lahat eh. So, dinadaan ko lang para di sila mabigatan, di ba?
Okay. Para step by step. Okay.
Dahan-dahan lang.
Or any response to that?
Vibe mo yan eh, so that's fine.
Pero ikaw ba, type mo ba sana siya?
Tropa eh. Totropahin. Ika nga.
Bakit? Yung chewing gum din?
Hindi. Yung get up niya parang kapatid ko lang.
Di ba? Sabi sa'yo age eh.
Pinky, 33, HR na food group company. Actually, accidentally lang na napop ko. Pero sige, paninindigan ko na lang din.
Marami naman kaming balloons dyan. Pwede nating ibalik. Sure ka na ba?
Yes, kasi kanina ko pa gustong i-pop. Kaya lang, yun nga, pinagbibigyan ko lang din. Yung vibe niya kasi, parang tropa din.
Hindi mo siya nakikita romantically.
No.
How about you? Do you have any response sa sinabi niya?
As in here.
Bakit? Saan ba siya tumitingin?
Doon ako nakatingin sa peklat mo, hindi naman sa ano eh.
Saan?
Ay, may peklat siya sa kamay, sa mahaba yung buhok na sa kamay eh.
Okay.
Doon ako nakatingin.
Okay. So, I was gonna ask, type mo ba sana siya?
Di rin eh.
Okay, bakit?
Masyadong revealing agad eh.
Masyadong revealing? Like, outfit-wise? Ano ba?
Oo, napansin ko na nung huli niyang sinabi na eyes up here, ganun.
Okay. Any response to that? Okay. Okay, simple as that.
Hi, I'm Joe. I'm a vocal coach and an HR payroll representative. Kaya ako po, sorry, kasi galing akong gig.
So, bakit ka nag-pop?
Actually, no, na may interest kasi I also do singing, rapping, songwriting. It's parang same vibe. Pero I pop kasi parang repa what's up sa, parang ganun
Any response to that?
Tama lang din, ginawa niya ako ng pabor. Diba, tol?
So, type mo ba sana siya or no?
Hindi, may kulay yung buhok eh.
Okay, deal breaker sa'yo yun.
Sobra.
Parang kanina wala kang sinasabi about the book.
Dahan nga
or
lang,
wala.
dahan nga lang tayo.
Okay.
Tsaka meron pala nung sinabi mong tattoos, doon ako nag-pop kasi buong leg ko kasi may tattoo.
Marami kang tattoo.
Buo, kompleto. Full leg sleeve.
Negative.
Okay, bakit nga ba yun yung preference mo?
Para sa akin kasi pagka babae, dapat yung partner lang niya yung nakakahawak sa kanya eh. And mostly sa mga tattoo artists, puro lalaki, di ba? Imposible naman na sa buong balat mo, puro babae nag-tattoo, di ba? So, nahawakan ka ng lalaki.
Pero kung girl
Ayoko
kung girl yung nag-tattoo, okay lang sa'yo.
Medyo hindi pa rin eh.
Bakit naman?
Kasi parang pang masculine na yung tattoo eh. So, mostly ng mga babaeng nakadate ko na may tattoo, medyo may masculine energy na sila. Para mas lalaki na sila sa akin minsan.
Do you agree with that?
Yes, totally agree. Kasi boyish kasi talaga ako sobra.
Di ba?
Okay, I also heard another pop balloon over here.
I'm Nina, 24, talent acquisition officer or HR. I have tattoos and I'm planning on adding more, so it's not gonna work.
Exception ba siya to your tattoo rule?
Saan ba tattoo mo?
This one, and I have one on my back.
Dito sa may bandang
Yep.
red flag.
So, no.
No, sa big
Bakit?
no, lalo dito.
Okay, why? What does that mean for you?
Tanungin ko muna siya, anong purpose mo? Bakit dito ka nagpatato sa back talaga?
Because I want it there.
No other purpose.
No other purpose.
Bakit? Ano ba sa point of view mo yung meaning nun?
Back shot.
I'm like, should I still ask about this or no? Okay.
Hindi nila aminin yun, of course.
That's definitely not the reason. I just want it there because like it looks cool and it looks pretty. Plus, the thing that I have on my back, it has a meaning. Like a meaning that I resonate with. That's why it's there.
May meaning pero di mo nakikita.
I see it.
Ganun.
When I go in front of a mirror, I can see it. Plus, I know it's there. So, yeah.
Anything to add?
Okay na yan.
Okay.
My name is Rez. I'm 36 and I work as a virtual assistant for a medical company in the US. It's not really about dwelling on the age difference or age gap because I think you can be, let's say, 40s but still act like you're a bit younger than that. So in this case, although he's 31, the personality I think is kind of like more like a teenager, 17 years old. So I don't think it's gonna work. One thing I also observe, I don't think that he takes rejection pretty well. So it's kind of like a big no for me. So I personally would want someone who's, yun nga, parang quite confident. Parang yun, doesn't have to prove himself that much. So yeah, thank you.
Any response sa sinabi niya? Or agree ka ba sa mga sinabi niya?
Actually, yun yung problema eh. Ina-exercise ko lang na may preference ko eh. Tinatanong ako ni Miss Marion kung ano yung gusto ko at kung ano yung ano ko. Pero ang problema, binabash mo ko na ugaling 17 ako. I mean,
Do you get that a lot or?
hindi naman actually. And hindi rin naman ako nagkakaroon ng mga ganyang sagot eh. Bihira lang naman talaga.
Okay.
Kasi nga, tulad nga ng sabi ko, in-exercise ko lang naman yung preference ko eh. Ayoko ng ganung bagay. Tanggap ko na may rejection nyo. It's just that na sinabi ko lang na ayoko ng ganun. Yun lang. Pero, ba't tinawag mo 17?
So what you,
Pero opinion mo yun eh. Sige.
yung sinabi mo naman about the tattoo, talagang you stand by that it's not their own meaning. Merong
Kasi
different
wala
meaning.
naman sense kasi yung tattoo na hindi mo nakikita eh. Para saan yun? Parang lalagay mo sa likod tapos hindi mo nakikita. Para saan yun? Parang lalagay mo sa likod tapos hindi mo nakikita. Diba?
Okay. Do you have any response to what he's saying?
Tattoos are about, it's about the person who has it. It's not you like having it. So it's more of asking the person why they have it. So I don't think you have the right to say or dictate the reason why someone has this tattoo.
Here's the
in life.
problem.
Yeah.
I respect your opinion, pero ayaw nyo tanggapin yung sa akin. Pero I respect you guys, yung preference nyo.
So, agree to disagree na lang.
Oo, parang gano'n. Parang katulad sa kanya, yun yung perspective niya sa tattoo niya, iba yun sa akin. Parang,
Differences lang.
oo, ganun lang.
Aside from that, type mo ba sana siya?
Tulad nga ng sabi ko, ang tinitignan ko lang naman lagi, mabait, malambing, and may respeto sa katawan.
Yeah. If he thinks that's fair to dictate whatever he wants for someone, let him be.
See, paano nila dinidemonize? Hindi ko naman dinictate eh. Wala akong dinictate sa inyo. It is just that my preference lang talaga.
I'm Natalie, 28, finance analyst.
So, bakit ka nag-pop ng balloon?
Agree to disagree na lang din.
Ayaw mo na mag-away. Baka mamaya, ma-hurt ka na naman na
Hindi.
pinag-aanuhan ka daw nila.
Expected ko talaga
Saka
to.
yung kanina ko pa iniisip, napansin ko yung chewing gum nga din na butter. Hindi yung sa kanya. Yung,
Iluluwanan niya tuloy.
hindi, I assume baka nagyoyosi kasi yun, deal breaker naman siya sa akin.
Tama ba siya doon? Is it because
Hindi
of
ako
that?
nag-yosi.
Okay, so preference mo lang mag-chew ng gum?
Siguro, para iwas boring din, ganun.
Parang style, like part of your aesthetic, ganon.
Hindi naman.
Sabi mo, iwas boring. Ano purpose?
Parang di matuyuan kasi salita ng salita dito.
okay.
Eh, diba? So,
Kala ko nang iwas boring kasi sabi mo. Okay, anything else that you'd like to add?
None, yun lang.
Well, thank you so much. Okay, unfortunately, wala tayong match for this round. But thank you so much for joining. I hope you enjoyed.
Thank you.
You can join us again next time. Bye!
Bye guys. Salamat sa away.
Here comes our next sexy single. Woo! Hi! That's silent. Hi.
Sexy badass.
Okay. All right. So, what's your name and how old are you?
My name is Ben. You can call me the badass. I'm 34 years old.
And
I sell hopes and dreams. I'm a hustler by day. I'm an executive by night. I'm a father. I'm a brother. I'm a homie. And a real one.
okay, let's just bleep that out.
Sorry.
It's okay. Okay, so what are your hobbies or what do you like to do for fun?
I like motivating and empowering others, especially the younger generation.
Okay.
I like looking fly. I like designing merch. I want to inspire the next generation that we can all be badasses in our own way and change other people's lives.
What do you look for in an ideal partner?
I like a pleaser.
A pleaser. Yung personality niya parang to please you specifically or people in
Yeah.
general?
Yeah, please me.
Okay. How about
Physically,
the physical?
emotionally, mentally, everything.
Okay. How about physical traits?
But yeah, preferably somebody that could match my height or at least not too small.
Okay.
Petite, preferably. A lady that takes care of herself well. Good hygiene and speaks the language.
Okay. Ano namang mga deal breakers mo or pag nalaman mong gato yung potential partner mo, ayaw mo na?
If they do have a lot of standards, when they start popping the balloons
Okay.
because they hear me speak, maybe they're intimidated of what I bring. But yeah, that's why I'm different and it's good.
Okay. All right. Well, it seems like there are some pop balloons on our lineup. So let's go over here and find out kung bakit sila nag-pop.
My name is Rez. I'm 36. I'm a virtual assistant for a medical company in the US.
So bakit ka nag-pop ng balloon?
I don't have anything against like whatever he believes in, of course. I respect that. I just don't think we would agree na we have the same language.
You agree with her?
Nagtatagalog din ako if you don't, kung hindi mo
Okay,
maintindihan.
literal
Pero,
na language.
yeah, no disrespect, but I respect your decision. It's all good. It's all good. I don't want to be a hater.
Okay. Pero
You
type
can
mo pa
have-
sana siya?
No.
Okay, why not?
I mean, she doesn't look fly.
What
Yeah.
makes you say that she doesn't look fly?
Because why would you wear that kind of coat?
It's cold in the studio.
I was wearing a polo myself earlier, but I removed it.
That's on you.
Yeah. Why are you looking pissed?
No, I'm not pissed.
I thought you were.
No.
That's just maybe my impression,
No.
but it's all good.
Yeah. That could be your impression, but I'm not pissed totally.
It's all love. It's all love.
My name is Nina. I'm 24. I'm a talent acquisition officer / HR.
So bakit ka nag-pop ng balloon?
I was trying to keep an open mind again. However, he said that the characteristic of the woman that he wants is someone who's a pleaser. And I am not a pleaser. I hate being a pleaser. The potential partner that I want in life, we should be equals. Respectfully, not my type. But again, I was trying to keep an open mind because maybe, I would like his characteristics, but it's just a miss. I'm sorry.
Do you have any response to what she said?
Yeah, respectfully, sorry I missed. Pero you took my message out of context. Pag pinlease mo, I'll please you. You know, I'll give you all the love in the world if you give me all the love in the world. However, you already made up your decision, so respectfully, I respect that decision. It's all love.
Okay. So give and take naman pala yung pag-please. No?
Miss Marion was asking me a question about my preference in terms of a lady. So yeah, I like to be pleased. So when you give me that part of the love, I'll give you more than that. Not just love, also my badassery. But yeah, it's all love.
Does that change your mind at all?
It doesn't, because he wasn't also very clear on how he communicates. So I'm sorry. Still no.
Yeah, it's all good. I like using my own gestures. And again, respectfully, I respect that.
Okay. Pero type mo ba sana siya?
No.
Bakit naman?
I mean, I can't even look at their eyes because
why?
I believe in vibes. Eh.
Okay.
So if I don't vibe with the person, I'll probably reciprocate. However, she's expressing herself.
Okay. So
that's why.
without even looking at her, you can tell na.
That's why I'm wearing the shades.
Okay.
And I'm looking at them earlier.
Okay. And yung na-feel mo is?
Yeah, respectfully.
Respectfully. Okay.
Respectfully. Mhm.
Anything else to add?
Well, I respect your opinion and your preference. I guess we're just going to clash. So yeah, it's not.
I
gonna work.
agree.
Yeah, definitely.
Nika, 36, transaction analyst. First, I'm a single mom. Definitely, in his aura, that is something na he might not accept. Next is age gap. He's 34, I'm 36. So, medyo magkakaroon kami ng indifference in terms of point of view on things. In his status, I respect it. It's just not my preference. Sorry.
Yeah, speaking of preference, they're not my preference either. Respectfully.
Bet naman.
Because I like petite women. And with the age gap, my last real love, shout out to you, my last real love.
Okay.
She was older than me for like 5 years. And I learned a lot of things from her.
Okay.
And, if you're looking at the age gap, then maybe you're not mature enough to handle somebody like me.
I can definitely handle someone like you. Okay?
Yeah, we can look for somebody else.
It's just that it's really not my preference on the art that he is in right now.
Are you actually open to dating single moms?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, I mean, why not? Siguro ang deal breaker ko, don't love me more than your kid. Yun. So, mas nai-inlove ako dun sa single mom na mas mahal niya yung anak niya kaysa sa akin. Because I would always choose my children over my partner.
Okay.
Respectfully.
Hi, I'm Pinky, 33, HRE of a
Hello.
food group. Nagpapa ko kasi kanina nung sinabi niya about sa people pleaser. Hindi kasi ako ganon. Siguro yung tattoo.
So, yung tattoos din, naging deal breaker for you. Okay, do you have any response to what she said?
Yeah, the viewers can comment below what your response. Kung preference ko ba sila? Most of you know me. And if you don't, you can say your opinion.
Okay.
Pero I would respectfully agree with that.
Okay. So, it's a no. Type mo ba siya or
No.
no? Okay, bakit?
Not my type.
Okay.
I'll keep it at that. I don't want to be rude and sarcastic, but the viewers can comment below. Para may dagdag tayong viewers at comments below.
All right. Okay. Well, you guys can go answer that for him. Okay. Thank you so much.
I'm Jo. I'm 29. I'm a vocal coach and also an HR payroll advocate. So, I pop my balloon. Okay na sana eh. Kaya lang, I just find confidence kasi is different from being conceited. Para sa akin lang ha, in my opinion. So, if it's just about the language, bro, I get your digits. Gets kita. Homie, mga ganyang vibes kasi laking streets din kasi ako eh.
Mukha naman.
Yes, di ba? Halata naman sa akin. So,
Yung boses mo lang para kang may sakit, pero it's
okay
okay.
lang yan, men. May sakit talaga ako sa lalamunan. But anyways, sige, buuin ko na nga lang para hindi tayo
Hey, why
nahirapan.
not? Speak your mind. I'll express myself after you go.
Ayan na. Okay, so, siguro yung naging reason kung bakit pinap ko yung balloon is that
Thank
when
you, ah.
you did the shout out, I just personally didn't like it. Nothing against the person on ano yung pinagdaanan nila kasi hindi naman siya magiging sino siya ngayon kundi dahil sa pinagdaanan niya in the past. Diba? Kumbaga, I just personally didn't like that kind of approach. If you're going into a place like this, looking for someone to accept you as a whole. Parang ganun lang.
And your response?
Yeah, speaking of conceited, it's Tagalog yun, English yun, mayabang, right? And it's showing in my fingers because I really believe that hindi siya yabang kapag kaya mo siyang panindigan. And this is why I speak the way I speak. And if you can't handle somebody like me, it's all love. It's all love. Hopefully you find a great partner in the future. I pray for that. And I'll leave it at that. Mga commenters, alam nyo na.
And your response to that?
That's him naman kasi, so respect to that as well.
Pero type mo ba sana siya kanina?
Mga 70%.
Okay. How about you? Type mo ba sana siya?
Ano daw, 7%?
70.
Mga 7% sa akin.
7. Okay,
Yeah.
but 7% sa'yo?
I mean, the voice, she sounds sick.
Okay, you don't like the bedroom voice?
Yeah. Is that a bedroom voice?
No. She's actually sick.
I'm not trying to be rude here.
She has a sore throat today, right?
All right. So, not my type.
Bet naman.
Maybe because of the part na I expressed somebody in my past that changed whoever I am.
Okay.
Maybe that person built the confidence that I have right now and changed the perspective of me. My perspective of the world pala. So shout out ulit sa'yo. Shout out to my baby mamas. I love you all. Shout out to my children. Ayaw na yung pangalanan pero you know who you are.
Okay. Nothing else to add? Okay, thank you so much. Okay, I heard some pop balloons. Who was it?
Hi, I'm Natalie, 28.
Nice to meet you, Natalie.
Nice to meet you.
Ikaw lang yung tinawag ko sa pangalan. Sayang, pinutok mo yung balon.
Type mo ba sana siya?
I mean, she has good eyes and gumanong pa show.
Okay. Anyway, you were saying, ba't ka nag-pop ng balloon?
Respectfully. Hindi, I think...
Yeah, the magic word, respectfully.
Hashtag respectfully.
Yeah.
I think mabait naman siya yung the way niya magsalita. Saka mahilig kasi ako kala Flo G, Nick Makino. Parang ganun yung vibes niya. Parang dadaling ka sa moon. Ganun. Ganung type.
Hindi mo alam kung saan kita dadalhin. Kaso, pinutok mo yung lobo eh. Too bad.
Parang nakakatakot naman yun. Hindi mo alam kung saan ka dadalhin.
Sasakay sa spaceship. Ayun.
Hindi ka sure. Baka roller coaster na
Ayun.
pang galaxy.
Kaya ako nag-pop kasi you've mentioned na you're a father and my children na. I think that would be a deal breaker for me kasi parang right now I'm not really good with kids or children because preference ko rin yun na hindi mo na mag-anak.
It's all love. Hopefully, when you do have a child, you love him or her the very best to your ability. May you find a great partner in the future.
Okay, so we don't have any other pop balloons, so it seems like we have one balloon left. So please join us over here. Last one standing.
Yeah. May
Let's
natira.
go. There's a chance. Okay, so your name, your age, and your job.
Armani, 27, PE teacher.
How about you? Meron ka bang question for her to help get to know her better?
Like physically, how can you teach me to exercise?
Okay.
Depende. Gusto mo ba yung nasa gym or home workout lang?
Yung nasa bahay. Nasa bahay.
Pwede Zoom meeting muna.
Pwede rin. As long as maganda yung
Okay,
ano,
sige.
resolution
Depende
ng
kasi
camera.
ni kung ano yung part na gusto mong i-work on. Let's
I mean,
start.
yung lower part ko sana. Kasi may beer
Lower?
belly na ako eh. So, gusto ko pa siyang magka-abs sana. Ano ba? Anong tawag dito? Wala naman akong ano. Baby
Core?
fats. Baby fats, yeah.
Yeah, maybe curl ups or some push-ups.
Interesting.
Okay. Moving on. How about you? Meron ka bang question for him?
Do you have any like collections?
I collect 3 pairs of certain shoes. Footwear, caps, watches, tattoos. All my tattoos are stories of my upbringing and the people that came into my life, including my exes and my children. So, yeah. I got a lot of collections, to be honest. I got this much collection of FHM, by the way. No magazine. Nung uso pa siya.
Okay. With the kids, are you still, meron kayong schedule pag nakikita kayo, ganyan?
Yeah, it's complicated because I have 3 different children with 3 different mothers. But I try to give my time and attention equally. But yeah, they know that I love them. I know that they love me. And, things will turn around soon.
How do you decompress yourself in a stressful day?
Oh, lalim nung decompress.
Okay.
Decompress. Paano ba? I drink a lot. I divert my attention sa mga barkada, and bad habits. Yeah.
Such as...
Drinking and up to the morning, hanging out, not thinking about tomorrow, missing out on important dates. Yeah, I don't handle it well, to be honest. And sometimes I need a life coach, or sometimes I need a shrink.
Okay.
I know people, and then they coach me, and that's why I'm this. I'm a work in progress, so I'm not perfect, and I'm prone to making mistakes, but that's life, eh. So we learn from our past, and we move forward. We keep moving forward.
Anything else you'd like to ask?
No.
So if you guys don't have any other final questions for each other, I'm gonna ask you guys now. Sure ka na ba sa kanya?
I want to give it a try, actually.
Okay. And sure ka na ba sa kanya?
I'd like to think about it.
Okay, you're done?
Yeah.
Oh, I thought you were gonna think about it for like a second then say yes. Okay, so bakit ka bigla nag-pop ng balloon?
I mean, no offense. I think you have a good heart. I'm not sure if we're on the same level of maturity yet, because you said you're 27 and I'm 34, so that's a 7-year age gap. And I think you got a bright future ahead of you. I don't want you to be spending the rest of your life with somebody that's like me, who's a work in progress still. Maybe in the future, we can stay connected naman. If I could guarantee that you'll be safe with me, I'd be more than happy to court you and eventually, see where we'll head afterwards. Yeah.
Okay, so baka
Nothing but love, though.
Zoom meeting muna.
Yeah. Zoom meeting muna.
Zoom meeting
Magpapaturo
muna.
ako sa'yo paano magka-apps.
Okay, step by step. Okay, do you have any response to what he said?
Madalas kasi sabihin sa akin ng mga magulang ko is, masyado daw matigas ulo ko. So parang nakukuha niya yung, nahihila niya ako na parang, sige nga, let's give it a try. Baka mag-please din ako. Parang ganon. Yung na-mention niya na work in progress, I'm on the same page. I guess we can work it out. But it's okay. Kung hindi, sabi niya nga, we can still get connected. Zoom meeting muna. And
why
then, yan. Kung ano nung mangyari, then yan. Actually, nakakot sa akin yung shirt niya kasi hug dealer daw siya.
Yeah, I deal hugs, not drugs.
Yeah, that's great. So yan lang.
Okay, all right. Well, unfortunately, wala tayong match for this round.
Yeah, shout
but
out to
thank you
her.
so much.
She's the only one with a good heart among everybody else.
Oh,
And yeah, if you're not willing to give it a try with me, then don't try.
Okay, well, thank you so much for joining. Hope you can join again next time.
It's all love. See you soon.
Here comes our next sexy single. Woo! And in this corner. Okay, may entrance pa talaga. So, hi. What's your name and how old are you?
I'm Ching, 37 years old. Ang alias ko sa social media is 8 Asset. Yeah.
Okay, so what do you do for a living or anong job mo?
I'm an entrepreneur pero ang focus namin ngayon yung podcast namin.
Ano namang hobbies mo aside from the podcast? Or what do you like to do for fun?
Running, boxing, ganyan. Hiking din, ganyan. Basta mga active na...
Active lifestyle ka?
Yeah, active lifestyle.
Okay. So isang ideal partner, anong hanap mo? Physical, personality?
Gusto ko simple lang talaga eh.
Okay.
Ang model ko pagdating sa babae, yung mga tita ko sa probinsya, masasaya talaga sila na simple lang sila.
Okay.
Yan.
Pero hindi naman mukhang tita. Or ganun din?
Okay lang kahit mukhang
Okay
tita.
lang din. Okay, basta simple.
Basta
Yun
simple.
lang.
Yun lang.
Yun
Pasimple
lang.
natin.
Okay.
Huwag na maraming kung ano-anong demand na...
Oh, deal breakers, deal breakers.
Ayun nga, yung mga demand na hindi realistic.
Okay.
Yung mga demand na parang... Deserve mo ba yung demand na yon?
Okay. Paano mo malalaman kung deserve niya?
Malalaman natin dito yan.
All right. We'll find out soon. Okay. So sa ngayon, wala pa nagpa-pop sa ating lineup. So the floor is yours. I would like you to choose 2 balloons to pop based sa nakikita mo ngayon.
Grabe. Sino bang hindi mo kang simple dito sa mga to?
Okay. Yung palang basis talaga. Yun
wala
talaga yung motto nyo in life.
Wala na-
Simple. Oh, okay. Una-una na siya. And one more. One more na lang since nag-pop na siya.
Pinky, 33, HR.
Bakit ka nag-pop ng balloon?
Actually, binigyan ko lang siya ng pabor. Kasi sabi niya gusto niya ng simple. Mukha namang di ako simple. So, yeah.
Okay, so you're welcome. Ganon.
Hindi, pero para sa akin, dapat di mo ako inunahan. Di ba? Pero, yun yung gusto mo eh.
Ipasok ba siya sa simple?
Kung sa kanila, hindi siya yung pinakasimple.
Okay, so ipapop mo din sana siya. Okay, and your response to what he said?
It's okay.
Okay, pero type mo ba sana siya?
Okay lang. Eh kasi, pero okay naman siya. Okay naman.
Ano to? Ano to?
Hindi ko naman beard. Pero okay naman kasi Tito Vibes. Bet ko din naman yung mga Tito Vibes.
I'm Jo, I'm 29. I'm a vocal coach and also an HR payroll representative.
Okay. So bakit mo siya piniling i-pop?
Kasi hindi siya mukhang simple.
Anong specific about her na hindi simple?
Yung buhok.
Sumisigaw yung buhok ko, te.
At least may sumisigaw sa inyo. Ikaw ba, type mo pa sana siya?
Hindi rin.
Bakit naman?
Siguro pagdating sa arrive lang po niya, pagpasok niya. Though, the energy is there. Pero, actually, nung lumapit siya, nung tinanong, nung sinabihan mo siyang mag-pop na siya ng balloon, medyo nakaganon na yung balloon ko eh. Ayoko yung ginagawa niya na, simple lang tayo eh, basta nagmamahalan lang tayo dito yung ganon. But, huwag ka ma-offend, it's just my 2 cents. So,
Hindi,
yun lang.
na-offend na ako eh.
Too late? Too late na ba?
Ayoko na ituloy ito.
It's a you problem, Dan.
Nag-walk out.
Hindi nag-make sense sa akin yung katwiran niya.
Ba't naman?
Alam mo yung, ano sabi niya? Ano yung simple lang tayo, magmahalan lang tayo. Ayaw mo ng ganon?
Hindi tayo mapapakain ng pagmamahal, pre.
Okay.
Agree ka ba doon?
Hindi kasi ganito yan eh. Pagdating sa ganyang usapin,
Okay.
ikaw pag babae ka, okay ka na doon. Ngayon, yung usapang ipapakain sa'yo, problema ko na yun. Hindi mo problema yun.
That's also my problem.
Gusto mong problemahin.
Hindi, it's not that. Kasi pag nasa relationship ka, hindi siya pwedeng yung isa nag-give, yung isa nagtitake lang. Kailangan parehas kayong nag-give, parehas kayong nagtitake. Hindi kasi po pwede yung mindset natin na basta simplihan lang natin yung buhay. Kasi ako single mom ako. Gusto ko lumaki yung anak ko na kahit papano, hindi man marangya yung buhay niya. Pero gusto ko, lalaki siya na hindi siya nahihirapan.
Yung mga babae sa probinsya, anong tingin mo sa kanila?
Sa probinsya, yung nasa Maynila ka, pre.
Eh, wala. Yun ang model ko eh. Nakikita ko yung mga tita ko kung gaano ka-peaceful yung buhay nila na ganun lang. Ganun lang sila. Wala akong nakikitang mali doon. Kaya, yun.
So you think how we live here is wrong?
Hindi, sinasabi ko, yung mga nakita ko sa tita ko, na kahit nandun sila sa bahay, nagluluto, pagod yung asawa nilang pulis, pagod sa trabaho, nandun sila, handa sila para pagdating nung asawa kong pulis na pagod sa trabaho, meron siyang kakainin na masarap na pagkain.
Gets, okay. Pero sa situation ko kasi, ako yung gumagawa nun. Ako yung nanay, ako yung tatay. So, sabihin natin, oo, it can be peaceful at times kapag ka uwi mo, sasalubungin ka ng anak mo ng masaya. Kinabukasan, papasok siya, may baon siya, may budget siya, pambili niya ng kung anong gusto niya. But at the end of the day, kasi hindi po pwedeng basta ganun lang yung mindset natin. I respect your decision. Oo, may mga kakilala din ako sa province na simple lang yung buhay. Pero siguro sa akin kasi hindi nagwo-work yun.
Generally speaking, I would recommend na piliin ng mga babae yung ganun.
What?
Kasi kung titingnan mo, kung babalik tayo sa history ng Pilipinas, ganun yung society natin, kaya marami tayong pinapakinabangan ngayon. Yan.
What do you mean?
Sige, pakihawakan na lang ha.
Hindi na, okay na. Nagputungan na ng lobo
may
eh.
history lesson pa tayo.
Hindi na, ayoko na rin.
Hanggang mamaya pa. Bumalik na tuloy yung boses niya.
Lumabas na tuloy.
Wala na, dito pa lang may combat na kaagad eh. May combat na kaagad dito eh.
Guys, magmahalan tayo, simplehan lang natin.
Kosa yan, kosa.
Oo, diba?
Kosa!
Oh, love na, love. Oh, hug. Hug dealer. What? Okay, so agree to disagree na lang tayo. Okay.
Wala problema.
Oh, thank you so much. So right now, we still have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 balloons left. So ngayon, magtanong ka naman ng isang question to help you figure out kung match ka pa nila.
Meron akong mga ginagawa na medyo pwede kami maging controversial sa internet eh.
Okay.
Okay ka bang suportahan ako na ganun ang setup ng buhay ko?
May controversial takes, ganun.
Yeah.
Name is Rez. I'm 36. I'm a virtual assistant for a medical company in the US. I would prefer someone who lives like what he said, simple, I think. I'm more of like a private person. Don't think I would be okay with things being controversial or being involved with it. So just to be honest and straightforward.
My name is Nina. I'm 24. I'm a talent acquisition officer for a global bank. And to answer your question, it really depends because if it's really controversial, my main concern is, does it involve misogyny? Because misogyny is very important for me. It's a deal breaker for me. Women's rights and equality has been an ongoing debate and battle. Especially at this time and age, it's still a problem. So if it involves misogyny, I'm sorry, I'm out. But if you are doing it for monetary gain and just for exposure, I guess I can try and understand. But if it involves misogyny, I'm sorry, it's out for me.
Hindi, ako, okay na yung naririnig ko sa'yo, pero tingin mo ba misogynist ako? Hindi. Hindi.
Tinatanong mo ba siya? Sino ba sasagot? Ikaw o siya?
Tinutulungan ko na nga siya eh.
Wait
Tinutulungan ko
lang.
na nga.
Oh, baka naman iba. Oh.
Taking this into a psychology aspect, I can't really say. I can't really say.
Very
because
nice.
I can't really judge you
Yan.
physically if you're a misogynist. But
Yan.
again, once I know that part of your content or controversial things that you're doing is misogyny, it's not really gonna work for me.
Pwede ako humingi ng halimbawa ng misogyny.
Every guy would say that a girl should, or like a woman, should be ready and willing to serve the guy. I mean, if a girl is also working an 8 to 5 or a 9 to 5 job, you're not the only person that she should serve because she's also tired from work. So it should be equal.
Is it possible na mapunta ka sa isang setup wherein hindi mo na kailangan yung karir mo?
Honestly, I love my career so much. So I'm not gonna let go of my career.
Oh.
So I've been
Saan yung
trying to...
toothpick?
I've been trying...
Kailangan hanapin ko yung toothpick ah.
It's okay. Would you like me to pop it myself?
Sige, ikaw na.
Okay.
So, bakit mo pinapop sa kanya yung balon niya?
Eh wala eh. Mas importante sa kanya yung karir niya eh.
So, you're expecting the girl to give up her career at some point, parang ganun?
Kung halimbawa, ang dami ko ng pera eh. Para saan pa yung trabaho niya? Di ba?
Okay. So, ang gusto mo, parang nasa bahay lang siya, ganun. Ano bang specific na setup yung nakikita mo?
Gusto ko madali yung buhay niya para ma-preserve yung ganda niya.
Okay.
Yun.
So,
Diba?
what would she be doing every day? Parang ganun. Para lang, just to give them an idea.
Sa career niya, pipili lang siya doon ng talagang na-enjoy niya.
Like, hindi 9 to 5 job, parang
Oh!
entrepreneur kind of thing? Parang ganun ba? Or,
Kung kaya ko naman ibigay na hindi ka 5 days na sa opisina mo, di ba? Bakit mo papipiliin yun?
But that's the thing. I want to keep it that way because, of course, I've worked hard for building myself, building a name for myself in the industry. So it's not easy for someone to let it go that easily. Plus, I came from a household wherein my father always told us not to depend on a man because you can't really trust a man. You can't really say what's going to happen 2 years along the way, 5 years along the way, 10 years along the way because, of course, you have to always fend for yourself.
Okay ka ba sa lalaki na, alam mo yung term nila ngayon, walang bitaw? Walang tira, walang bitaw. Ayos ka sa ganun?
No.
'Di ba? Kasi kung ganun yung lalaki, talagang i-encourage ka niya, ituloy mo yung karir mo. Kasi ikaw ang magpapakain sa akin.
No. What I want is we're both equals. We're both making income.
Naniniwala ka ba na equal ang mundo?
It should be.
Pero, realistically speaking,
It's not because men are the ones that dominate the world.
so hindi ka okay na lalaki ang nagdo-dominate ng mundo?
No.
Sino harap pag halimbawa, yung mga gera nangyayari, lalaki ang gumagawa niyan, di ba?
okay, one last comment, and then we're moving on.
I don't want to comment anymore because it doesn't make sense.
So, back to the Q&A.
Hi, I'm Natalie, 28, finance analyst. Depending kasi sa topic nyo na kung ano yung magnitude ng controversy. If it's really disrespectful para sa akin, sa mga tao in general, so yun yung, I think, deal breaker sa akin.
Hermani, 27, PE teacher. When it comes to controversy, I guess kahit naman hindi ako gymnast, I'm quite flexible.
Yeah.
Kasi, kumbaga, it's your career eh. Meron talagang highs and lows, may pros and cons. Siguro respect na lang sa career na meron ka and respect na lang din sa career na meron ako.
Nika, 36, transaction analyst.
Okay, so ba't ka nag-pop ng balloon?
First, I admire your provider mindset. However, at my current state right now, being a single mom with a 16-year-old son, hindi ko siya maibibigay. And at the same time, mas gugustuhin ko siyang tropa.
Ba't naman?
Mas gugustuhin kong humingi ng advice sa kanya. Because honestly, I've watched some of your Facebook reels, especially dun sa isa na kung ang lalaki ay may bitaw o hindi, o wala. So yung statement mo kanina, I remember you already. And I truly respect that. Yun dapat ang mindset ng mga lalaki ngayon. However, because of the changing economy and definitely two individuals needs to be having an income, di ko pa kayang ibigay yung simple life na I will surrender, I will back off from my career and be a lawfully housewife for you. That's all. Thank you.
Any response to that?
I like it.
So type mo sana siya.
Kasi matalino siya, so pwede sana.
Oh, may
Pero-
chance sana. Does that change your mind or?
Alam mo, mag-inuman na lang tayo.
Yeah, naman tayo.
Inuman bodies na lang, ganon. Okay, so we still have 1, 2, 3 balloons left. So now I'd like you to choose one balloon to pop.
Ay,
Just one.
ay. Wala eh. Ang hirap eh. Ang hirap.
Pataas talaga. Parang matatamaan naman.
Sorry.
Oh, ba't naman may pa ganon? Okay, let's go back over here. Okay, so bakit siya yung pinili mo i-pop?
Yun na nga, sinabi ko na, okay, yung mga sagot nila sa akin, okay naman ako.
But?
Mas mukha ka lang less humble. Pero, nakikita ko yung humility sa mata yung tatlo, pero sa'yo lang yung, kumbaga, in a perfection standpoint, nagkulang ka lang ng konti.
Sa humility?
Sa ano lang sa vibe lang naman sa vibe lang. Pero
Okay.
sabi ko na nga okay na sa akin 'tong tatlo kung hindi masamang sabihin.
Okay na sa'yo yung tatlo?
Hindi okay yung tatlo.
Okay.
Kumbaga yung sinasabi kong pagiging simple na hindi na
pasok
tayo
naman sila lahat
magko-combat.
doon. Oo.
Di ba? Pasok na sila sa akin.
Paano mo na-judge yung humility?
Hindi nga
Yun?
kung pwede ngang wag ko nang husgahan gagawin ko kaso wala pinapapili niya ako ng puputo ko.
Sasali-sali ka dito, tapos di ka pipili. Lahat sila, i-debate mo. Pero type mo pa sana siya.
Ayos lang.
Ba't naman ayos lang?
Okay din sa akin kasi yung yung idea niya na hindi parang yung sa wife mo na ipoprovide mo na lang lahat. Pero sa akin, mas gusto ko rin na meron pa rin akong sariling pera. Kung bibigyan mo ako ng kapital, tapos mag-go ako ng sarili kong business or no. Pero yun din, yung 9 to 5 job, parang ayoko
Diba?
rin siya
Diba?
i-sustain.
Ganun talaga yun
Yan. So I like the idea.
Di ba? Kasi ba't mo papahirapan yung sarili mo?
Buti naman nagkasundo kayo. Okay. So we have 2 balloons left. So this time, sila naman ang magtatanong ng questions sa'yo.
Okay.
To help them figure out if you're a good match for them.
What are the topics that you mostly explore, and how do you think that helps anyone or like a certain audience? Like, what's your goal with having that podcast?
Now, dito na tayo magkakaputukan talaga. Kasi kung
Okay.
kung gagawin namin basehan yung yung reaction ng tao sa mga content na ginawa namin. Ayaw namin ma-encourage ang mga babaeng Pilipina na maging combative. It doesn't make sense. Hindi mo kailangan makipagtalo lalo na sa partner. Mga naging topic namin kasi is about single mom.
Okay. Yun ba yung pinaka-controversial na topic ninyo?
Oo, yung mga
Anong sinabi niyo about single moms?
Kung binata ka, lalo na kung siguro mga 24, huwag ka papatol sa single mom. Bakit ka papatol sa single mom? Hindi mo pa siya kaya. Wala ka pang ganun sa utak mo para kayanin yung dala-dala ng single mom. Doon lang sa simpleng opinion na yun.
Marami nag-react.
Marami na. Oo.
Okay.
So, yun, doon na lumalim yung mga disrespect lumabas na at nangyari na dahil doon sa ganong kasimpleng topic lang na yun.
Does that answer your question?
Yeah, I think that's it.
Okay, and over here, anong question mo for our sexy single?
Naisip ako pero parang Biglang
Sige,
nawala.
Relax ka lang. Ano, ganyan din ako minsan eh. Pag may gusto akong sabihin na ano.
Andito na siya.
Oo.
Nakikita mo?
Oo eh.
Ano nga?
Dito muna ako, parang nagpa-moment sila. Ayoko naman you know. So I'm gonna assume wala ka pang question. Okay, so sa ngayon, wala pa nagpa-pop sa kanilang dalawa. So the floor is yours. I would like you to choose one balloon to pop. Oh, sayang naman yung moment nyo. Okay. Alright, so bakit siyang napili mo ipop?
Wala naman akong naiisip na ano.
Wala ka din
na pangit.
naisip.
Hindi, pero kasi ang pinanalo niya. Pinanalo niya sa inyo. Kasi
Wow!
kanina
Congrats!
kanina,
Congrats!
oh,
Our winner!
yun yung panalo.
Oh, go.
Kasi kanina nung pinapapili mo ako kung sinong puputok. Tinitingnan niya ako sa mata tapos gumaganon siya. Parang, sige na, ako na yung putukin mo. Nagustuhan ko yun.
Nagustuhan mo, na
Oo.
gusto niya na. Hindi kasi ako tanongin.
Hindi,
Oh, go. Parang sama pakinggan eh.
Ang dating kasi sa akin nun, hindi siya nag-a-assume ng napakalaking value niya. Hindi siya nag-iisip ng ganon.
You mean you like her humility?
Yeah,
ganon?
the humility. Yun talaga.
Okay.
Yun talaga.
Alright. Any response to that?
Actually, hanggang ngayon iniisip ko kung ano yung dapat kong itanong.
Text mo na lang sa kanya, ma'am. Mag-comment ka dun sa podcast nila.
Go.
Okay, so since we have one balloon left, please join us over here. Woo-hoo! Okay. So before we proceed, meron pa ba kayong final questions for each other? How about from you?
Ilan taon ka na ulit?
I'm 36.
Oh.
Ano yun?
Masyadong humble para sa 36, pero ayos. Pwede. Wala na ako maraming sasabihin.
Ako may question ako. Of course, you want me to live it simply, di ba? So, of course, living a controversial life is not quite simple. So, what would be your... how would you navigate through that? So,
Hindi, ang mangyayari nun pag ganun, huwag ka maging active sa social media.
so I'll just keep a blind eye.
Yeah, para ako lang yung babatuhan ng issue, ikaw hindi ka tatanggap ng...
You want to work together, right? You work as, let's say, in the context of marriage. Kapag dinala mo yung burden, it's also my burden. It kind of goes hand in hand. So, what's going to be your thought pattern?
Hindi ka magiging active sa social media. Yun lang naman ang protection mo pagdating sa ganyan eh.
So, I'll give up my social media for you. Is that what you're saying?
Oo.
And how long do you think that's going to work?
Hindi ko nakikita yung limit. Siguro, kung kailangang maging ganun yung setup, hanggang mamatay ako di ganun talaga. Wala ka social media.
What's the Bible to you?
Ha?
What's the Bible for you? Like, to you, what does it mean?
Maganda siya. Totoo yung mga nakalagay doon. Hindi ako perpekto, hindi ka rin perpekto. Pero kung magkakasundo tayo sa kung ano yung nakalagay sa Bible, magiging okay ang buhay natin. Kahit meron pa makipagpustahan sa akin dyan, hindi kayo mananalo.
Okay, wala pa naman ngayon. Wala pa naman sa ngayon. Okay, so sure ka na ba sa kanya?
I think based on how he answered right now, I think it's okay.
So you're open to it?
Yeah, let's say. Yeah.
All right. And sure ka na ba sa kanya?
Hindi, sure na ako.
Hala, shock! Hala ko, anong toothpick na naman yung hinahanap mo dyan? Okay, we have a puson match! Alright, kung okay ka na dyan, please take each other's hand and go up into your happily ever after. Congrats! That has been our show. Make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell for more of our episodes. Join us again next time for more Pusong An or